To change the wiper blades on modern Volvos, the wiper arms need to be put in the service position because they are concealed by the bonnet. So to do this, if the car doesn't have a service button somewhere on the dash, then what you need to do is, with the key already in the ignition, press the ignition button on and then off, and within 3 seconds hold the wiper switch in the up position, and this will place the wiper arms in the service position. So for the Volvo V40, we've got the Bosch Aero Twin A310S twin pack, which consists of a 26-inch and a 19-inch blade. So I keep a microfiber cloth ready to rest the wiper arms on, because you don't want these metal arms in the upright position in case they get knocked onto the screen, which will smash it. So when the wiper is removed, you've got something to place the arm on. So the 26-inch blade is the driver's side, and the 19-inch one is for the passenger side. So you need to press this square here and pull the blade up, and on these you can't fit them the wrong way around because they'll only go on one way. And now to get the arms out of service position, just turn the ignition back on and they will drop down. For more videos on this car and many others, please check out my channel. Thanks for watching.